Welcome guys. Let's do Minds of the Larna token technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you bull run target and immediate short term targets too. Current rank of Minds of the Larna DAR token is 251 and price of DAR token is $3.42 right now. It is Ethereum based metaverse gaming token and it is very important metaverse token to me. Why? I am going to show you in this video. Current market cap of this token is $418 million and fully diluted market cap is $2.7 billion, which is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of DAR token is 395 million and circulating supply of DAR token is 123 million and maximum supply of DAR token is only 800 million. And let me please show you some figures, and after that I am going to show you charts and website. All-time high of this token was on November 4, 2021, about 22 days ago, and price was $4.91. All-time low of this token was on November 12, 2021, about 14 days ago, and price was $1.68 only. And after that, here you can see how much price goes up. And let me please show you in which market you can get this token. Binance, Gate.io, Crypto.com, and some other important exchanges. This token is listed. And if you want to get this token on Binance Exchange, then this is the link of Binance Exchange. Just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get the Binance Exchange link and these exchanges link. Click on these exchanges link and create your account and grab $5,680 bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these bounces are tradable. Just click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces and put your seed money away. Just trade with these bounces only, and these are tradable bounces. Let's dive into the content. This is the 1 hour chart, and here you can see after creating top at $4.83, it is in this falling wedge. And here you can see price is at $3.39 right now. There is major support is at $3.22 price area. And this is upper trend line, this is lower trend line. I think it have to hold this area, and if unfortunately it broke this support area, in that case $2.78 price area is very important to hold. If I calculate the target according to technicalities, target would be like this. It can easily hit after breaking this falling wedge, 4.53, after that $4.83. And if it broke this main support area, in that case $2.78 first support, $2.44 second support, and $2.11 is our third support. These are support areas and these are our targets. But this area is very important to hold. And let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. There is good volume in this chart. That is why I am very much sure that this token will hit easily my targets. This is EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon, and once candle closing above $3.85, in that case definitely it can hit new all-time high and it will create new all-time high. Let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 37, which is very low. Once it crosses 50, in that case it will be plus signal for us, and after that price definitely will go up. Until now we have to wait for this. But our targets are very simple. Our first target is $4.53 and second target is $4.83. And if I calculate major target from here according to this support and resistance base, next major target will be like this. Once it broke its all-time high, in that case our next big target will be this area, $6.45 price area. but for this we have to wait for this resistance to break. Once this resistance broke, in that case definitely 6.45 is very near to us and DAR can easily hit this. Let me please show you 4-hour chart, and here you can see this is main trend line. Unfortunately candle break this, but now again we see a pullback, and it is very important trend line, and it is very important to hold this. If DAR price broke this, in that case main support area is $2.83, next support area is $2.09, and these are very important areas. If this happen, and if this box area is very important, and if DAR token hold this area, in that case definitely it can easily hit this target, and this is very realistic target, and it is $6.30. And if it broke this horizontal support line and this trend line, in that case next support is 2.9 cent. Maybe it is very strong support, looking very strong, and it is very much to hold this support area. 2.83 and $2.10 price area are very important. Let me please show you volume. There is good volume in this chart, and that is a very good thing. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. 4-hourly EMA ribbon candles are trying to break this, but no candles are still in this EMA ribbon. That is why this box is very important, because of this EMA ribbon, because of this trend line. This box area is very important to hold. Once DAR token price hold this area, in that case definitely it can easily hit $4.54 and $6.30 very soon. And let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 45 and it is below 50, and it have to cross 50 in order to move towards upside. Let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards downside, and here you can see big red towers. This is the indication price can further go down. Once tower change their color like this, in that case crossover towards upside is ready to begin. Until now we have to wait. Let me please calculate the target of this bull run, please. Let me please do this. Let me please arrange this chart, because I want to do it very clearly. That is why. For this I have to took this tool, and after that I have to measure this from top to bottom to top, and after that current bottom. And here you can see we are still in this bearish zone. 0.23 Fibonacci level is at $5.14. Once it broke this, in that case next target is 0.38, which is at 7.23. After that 0.5, which is at 8.92, and after that golden pocket, which is at $10.60, and after that 0.78, which is $13 price area. What is price target I like for this token? I think $15 is very realistic target for this token. Maybe $15 or maybe $20. This is very realistic target for this bull run for DAR token, and I think it can hit easily this target, $15 or maybe $20. These are two main targets. Price can maybe hit these targets in this bull run. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bonuses, Binance $710 bonus, Primex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable, and these are absolutely free bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.